The TurfRoller cart is used for transporting and rolling artificial turf webs. Thanks to its excellent maneuverability, it is possible to align the webs perfectly while they are being laid. It is also very easy and safe to lift the rolls, even though they weigh several tons. The manually operated hydraulic system lifts and lowers the material in an efficient way and without much effort. Thanks to the 8 large and easy-to-move tires, the weight of the turf rolls is distributed equally and carefully on the surface. Thanks to the linked axles, the turf roller can be moved in all directions. A further advantage is that when it is transported, the turf roller requires very little space. Thanks to the adjustable length of the roll bearing bar and the square crossbeam, turf webs from 1 to 5 meters in width can be laid. Changing the turf rolls of the turf roller requires just as little time, effort and manpower as transporting the unit and laying the turf webs. SMG's turf roller is simply brilliant.